Welcome back. Now news from sports. Former Olympian footballer Fortunato Franco believes Goa has the best youth development program in the country. Other states can learn from us and develop their youngsters. And if the players feel strongly about the country, India can surely make progress in world football, says Fortunato.
Goa Football Association is working tirelessly for the development of the youth and trying various methods to bring children into football. The GFA, with support from the Australian Football Federation, has implemented the sports outreach program. Football centres in the state are working on the coaching methods introduced by Australian coach education professional Norman Boardman. Former Indian footballer Fortunato is impressed by the work of the GFA in youth development.
Goa is the only state, I can say, with only state that has got its youth development program online. Now, how you improvise? You've got the blueprint of every 14, under 14, under 16, under 18. They may not be functioning as well as, Celtic club or something. But then we have to make ourselves work on. You have a blueprint. This is the only. Tell me which other states that have got. No other state have got a program development, youth development program like Goa. Nobody else. Nobody has it.
Fortunato feels today's players have become too money-minded, and that is why they have lost focus on playing for the country.
Where do you see football today? So where do you see football going today in Goa?
The guidelines are very, very clear. If you follow those guidelines, you can surely make it to the top. It is up to every individual to follow that path that is set to you. So it all depends on us, on the players. How you are going to putting the nation on top. I have to reach there. Set an objective. That is my objective. Once you, as an individual, sets an objective to represent Olympic, automatically your standard will improve. No? I have to work hard.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Indian football team is heading into the festive period with job well done after winning the recent CEF Cup. It was expected that Savio Madurais boys will retain the title, and they did what was expected of them. The new year promises far greater challenges, especially it will be the start of work over the targets set by the new technical director Robert Baan. The experienced Dutchman believes India will improve within the next 10 years.
India, ranked 162nd in the FIFA rankings, retained the SAFF Cup title recently. It was the first silverware for newly appointed coach Savio Madurais, who had been in the Indian sports staff under Bob Houghton and then Armand Colasso as an assistant. The first tournament victory, as expected, boosted Savio, and he will look to prepare the boys for tougher challenge in AFC event early next year. In the meanwhile, Dutchman Robert Baan has seen the way football is played in the country. The former Australian technical director has prepared his plan to bring in a revolution in Indian football. Baan told the AIFF, and I quote, "We will start with establishing of regional academies for age group 14 to 16 and elite centers for age group 16 to 18, where we can bring the best talents together. With our technical staff, we will travel around and get first-hand impression about Indian football at all levels. After that, we will focus on grassroots and organize and establish a pathway for our talents." AIFF has now started a vision which will improve the rankings in the next 4 years. Focus is now on youth development. Within next 10 years, boys from age group of 8 to 12 will take India a level where India will be able to compete against Australia, Korea or Japan. With Baan's immense technical know-how, experience in youth coaching and AIFF's dedicated efforts, Indian football looks set for promising times ahead. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.